This video demonstrates how to use Copy App for the Xerox PrimeLink C9265, C9275, and C9281 series printers. Copy App allows the device to scan your original documents and temporarily store the images. It then prints the images based on the options that you selected. You can change settings for individual jobs based on the original documents. You can save settings that you use for regular jobs and retrieve them for later use. Use the document class to make copies from books, magazines, or other bound documents. Do not place bound originals in the document feeder. You can collate multi-page copy jobs automatically. For example, when making 3 one-sided copies of a 6-page document, the copies are printed in this order: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Uncollated copies are printed in this order: 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6. On the control panel, touch Home, then touch Copy. In Copy screen, select Copy Output. Then select one of the following, as required: uncollated with separators. Note that book copying and two-sided book copying cannot be activated simultaneously. The non-standard size documents are not separated into 2 pages accurately. Place the facing pages of a bound document on the document glass in a horizontal orientation. On the control panel, touch Home, then touch Copy. In Copy screen, touch More Features and select Book Copying or Two-Sided Book Copying. Then select one of the following: off, left page, then right, right page, then left, top page, then bottom. To reverse the image in left-right direction, touch Copy and enable Mirror Image. To reverse the image color, enable Negative Image. To add annotations, such as page numbers and date, select Annotations. Then touch the desired options and make the necessary changes. You can add a watermark beneath the original image on your copies. Information such as predetermined text, date and time, and the printer serial number can be added. Touch Copy and touch Watermark on the screen, then touch the desired options. To delete everything outside the specified area when copying, touch Copy. Then select Delete Outside, Delete Inside. Then touch Delete Outside. Touch Delete Inside to delete everything inside the specified area when copying.